Today is January 21st, 2025. I want to show you how to work with the Vanillapup64 PuppyLInux today, and this is my daily driver, and I find it very stable in my system, and I recommend it highly. So how is it different than regular quote PuppyLInux distro? Well, first it is a rolling release distro, which means that it gets constantly updated with the security patches and improvements. The other unique feature is that you can use the apt command, so terminal apt and install. In PuppyLInux, generally you have to use a Puppy Package Manager, which usually just let you install one packages at a time. But with apt, I can install multiple packages, GIMP and gthumb, and so on. So for me, it's a significant improvement. Third, and probably most important for some of you, is that it has a special feature, what's called a RAM saver, and also uses a zram swap. So it's very good for a very low RAM machine, such as if you have less than 2 gig of RAM, for example. You may want to definitely try Vanillapup64. Similarly, there is a Vanilladpup32, which is also very similar in this respect. So I'll go ahead and put the link to this page where you can download. So there are three different ISOs that you can try, but the one for most of us will be just this one, Vanilladpup. And if you want to try Wayland version, which is a different display server, you may want to try that. But if you have a particularly older PC, the retro ISO may work better. So the menu, so it's just like it's very similar to other PuppyLInux, obviously, as far as the initial desktop, but I think the system is also similar. It has the usual gparted and setup package. Puppy Package Manager is very minimal in that it only has a very limited number of packages, so you don't generally want to use that Puppy Package Manager, but you want to use a synaptic, which is a graphic apt interface. But for me, apt terminal is the fastest. So F12, you can certainly use SFS files like in all PuppyLInux. I noticed though that it does not have a FrugalPup installer, just to be aware. If you want to add another distro on top of Vanilladpup, you may have to set that up or use a different distro. So let me just go back, utility, and so I've installed the gthumb and Synapse, which is a launcher, and I also installed GIMP. So it has been very good in my use. The Bluetooth manager particularly works well. I was able to connect to my Android phone without much difficulty at all. And it comes with the Firefox ESR, but I use a regular version of Firefox. It's just a quick overview, but particularly I think it would be good for you to try if you have an older machine or very low RAM, but I find it very convenient that you can use the apt command and gets it's a rolling release. So try it.